need, I need money.
Okay, it's coming. It's automatic, Francis. It's coming automatic.
Okay, no problem. Hey, go on by the bag of your food.
That's right, I'm you're eating in.
Yeah, they eat it from you.
Yes,
Okay.
zero.
Okay.
Strawberry, you put the strawberry thing with it? Okay, let me bring it up with the color.
Just butter. Alright, they can give you iced coffee. Cup of ice. Okay.
Oh, come on, they want like strawberry or syrup today?
I asked for syrup.
Hot coffee or iced coffee.
Don't worry, you just gotta charge for it.
Thank you, sweetie. Have a good one.
The other one, two cream up or number, please?
Tony, I need a cup of ice.
Huh?
Cup of ice.
Come on, what?
Cup of ice.
Frozen ice. Your neck up?
And you said butter. You got hard towel.
Cup of ice. Yep, thank you, sir.
Sorry, please, I just put it up on me. Right here, guys. Of course.
Yeah, that's scary.
Yeah, so I have
A large vanilla
ice coffee.
iced coffee.
Yeah, take a picture. I got these.
Burrito sauce, mild sauce, yeah. Please, at least two, I got two.
You got to, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day, okay? All right.
Amém? Are these two large coffees done?
can I help you, love? I'm sorry.
It's okay. Can I get 3 egg and cheese bagels? Yes. That's it. I'm wonderful, man.
I wish I was I'm not cool about her.
I totally understand that. And I can't even say anything because sleep would be amazing right now.
I couldn't sleep at all last night until like 2.
See, the opposite of me, I was asleep, but I still wanted more sleep. Thank you for being amazing, baby.
No.
Well, me too. I don't get off the field. So, by the time I get home, it's probably about 7.
Yeah, that's how it is. I don't even take my shower until like 8.
And see what I mean? And then before you know, it's time to start my day all over again.
Right. No. Breakfast, lunch don't start until I'm like You had the 2 large coffees, sir?
Yes,
Okay, I wasn't sure if that order was served or not. What was, it was 2 cream and 2 sugar for them both?
Nope.
What was it?
Maybe you could just give them blank or something. I don't know. Two creams in both. 1 sugar and 1.
7 Jets 152.
What up, y'all?
7 Jets 152.
Thank you. Can I get a fork and a knife, please? Thank you. A question, how much do you charge for cups of water? Nothing? I have like 5 small ones. Can I get 5 baby cups? Like those little tiny cups?
Sir, I'll make a call. We got it.
No worries. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you, baby. You are awesome. You are awesome. Thank you, baby. You as well.
I'm good.
Can you help me out that you can miss all these bottles? Are you sure?
technicien va comprendre.
It's simple.
Mwen bezwen la kalman. Ok?
Why you hit me?
I ain't mean to hit you. I'm sorry, what you think?
Okay, that's not good from there. Right, right up. People, why you talking too much?
Huh? No problem.
Why you wait?
Only apple for you. Hey, double for you. Okay, you don't want no problem.
Black coffee.
What's the small coffee?
Apple fritter.
I don't want no problem.
I have the other coffee getting made. It's like 2 minutes, okay? I'm sorry for that.
Okay. Which one?
That's the cream, the 2 cream.
Sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This has to be in this bag, okay?
Put it in there.
Oh, no, mira esto. Mira cómo la van a tener que hacer. Wow. Y yo te estoy diciendo, pero no es
Mommy.
pero a mí más te dije.
Le technicien va comprendre. Ok?
I would